Thanks for taking the time to learn more about GroveSite. In this video, we will walk you through the steps of defining custom views for your online database. Now that you have your database defined and have your expanded view and your summary view customized, you may want to add additional views. For example, if your database is tracking requests for product samples and requests for quotations, it would make sense to have a view displaying relevant fields for each action. To get started, you will select Org Admin and Manage Database, and then click on Edit next to the database you wish to edit. From here, scroll down to the Views section of the Edit page. Here you will select New View. This is where you will enter the information for your new view. Give it a name and then determine the display characteristics for the view. I'm going to name this view All Sample Requests. Keep in mind that you can't sort the view by anything yet because you haven't selected which fields you will be including. We will come back to this later in this video. When you are done, select Next. Here you will see the Fields section appear. This is where you can determine which fields you want to appear in this custom view by choosing from the list of your fields you have created in your database. After selecting each field you wish to include, select Add Field. You should now see these fields appearing on the left-hand side of the fields list. Note that you can also include a few preset fields in your view. The most common ones to select are Database Member Responsible, which is who the owner is, and Database Date Modified, which is when it was last updated. Now that you have added fields to your view, you are able to sort the database by the fields. Scroll back up to the top and select how you would like to sort your data within this view. When you are done defining your custom view, be sure to select Save View at the bottom of the screen. Be sure to select Save View at the end of each view you add. When you are done adding your views, be sure to select Save Table. Your custom views will now be ready for use within your main database page on your site. If you go to your database page on your site, you will see them listed in the Views drop-down. Here you can see our All Sample Requests view. Here are the fields we defined, plus the 2 preset fields we added at the end. Now that you have learned how to make the changes to your views, you may want to set filters. If so, learn more about that in our next video, Adding a Database Filter.